This is my son's lever action. I figured since I couldn't be a cowboy, he could be one in reality, I guess. Alright, well, I just did a simple, you might have seen a few times where people have done this. I would have just went ahead and molded it all the way around, but I'm going to save that for a bigger lever action that's for an adult, and this will keep it at this. This is just so when he's racking, his fingers go in here, and it just gives him some padding while he's racking. So anyway, real simple. It's if I need to adjust this, I can just undo this and you add more holes. It's a real simple design for a sling. This is heavy duty. This is heavy duty. This will all hold great for a kid with a rifle that's not very heavy at all. I don't really have anything to say. Really didn't have much to say. It's functions well. Titan survival cord. You can break it down and use it for fishing line, snare wire, all that stuff. You know what Titan survival cord has in it, pretty much. Most people do. If you're unfamiliar, it's just you have pretty much stuff for everything, and it's 750-pound cord, not 550 cord. So standard military grade is 550. This is 750. Most folks don't know that, and it still has the original 7 strands. Most folks don't know that either, so I figured I'd share. In here, just a little survival kit. Figured I would amuse everyone and put together some sort of survival kit. And granted, he would be with me in a situation, and everyone would say, well, you know, you take a kid and throw him in the woods with just a rifle. So, come on, dude, get serious. You know, this is just so he's got something with him, and for some reason we need to use it. So it's just staying with him. Plus, it gives him plenty of ammo. Put the ammo up top, so in case he needs to just reload, he can just crack this open it up, take the ammo out, load the rifle back up, and start shooting again. He likes shooting. He likes plinking targets in the backyard with CCI Quiet. He really loves doing it, and he does it for hours. So it's a good thing I have plenty of that. Anyway, that's it. That's all I got for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and it gives you an idea. God bless. Take care.